If your air conditioning system seems to be struggling to keep you cool, you probably have a lot of questions. Can my system be repaired? Or how much will maintenance of my AC unit cost me? Or even, does my system need to be replaced? Well, we have the answers. Our air conditioning specialists have years of experience helping people just like you keep cool in the hot weather. Whether you need routine maintenance, equipment repairs, or even a new air conditioning unit, we can help you. Contact our air conditioning specialists now for a free estimate, and we look forward to help keeping you cool.